This is year 10 with our company, 15 years in the industry. John's got a little more than me. Just create a nice little separation from the driveway.
So we can see here why people like the idea of white vinyl ranch rail. It looks nice and clean. And you can see this wood fence here. This was done not that long ago, last year, I do believe. And you can see already how there's, you know, lines in it and striations. It doesn't look as clean and as crisp as this one does. And this fence will look this way for the next 30 years.
We've been with OK Vinyl since 2018. Here we started in chain link only, chain link ornamental, and then we moved to vinyl fences in our second year business. Stuck with it since then.
So Joe, tell me, how did we get all these angles cut in here, and how did you keep those top lines so level?
Well, I shot the fence from the top to the bottom, and then ran a string, and then just took top rails into the one side, level it across, marked it, routed them all out, just carried on step by step all down the way. All those pickets are all cut, angled up.
That's a lot of custom work, my friend.
So this is a fence that we installed in 2022. We did it in 3 phases, 2022, 2024, and the last half in 2025. And as you can see, the sun hasn't damaged it at all, and you can't really tell where we started and stopped on each phase.